Hello, everybody. Hope you are all fine. Today we discuss about the topic life insurance in USA. So simply, you notice that who we are who we are. The Maryland Insurance Administration is the state agency that regulates the business of insurance in Maryland. If you are having a problem related to the insurance, the MIA will try to help you solve it. Who we help consumer, how we support consumer, how we help consumer, how we stimulate consumer, who we cumulate consumer, who provide assistance to consumers, business, health care providers, doctors, and hospitals, producers. You notice that this includes life, death, disability, automobile, home, and property. Okay. Next, coming to next point. This is the basic points of life insurance. You can imagine that it will be helpful to you. Okay, I will read out one by one. You understand. We can provide you with answers to your general insurance and questions and suggest you to address resolve your insurance. Okay, come to the point. Your insurance questions are problems as well as questions you should ask. You are right? Okay. We can provide you with the educational materials. This point will be valid and 100% ensure that you have educated. You have a advanced level of education that different types of coverage and your policies rights right now. Okay. Next point coming to we can provide you with guiders to help you compare rates among insurance companies. Okay, you can imagine that automobile, home owners, and health coverage of small employers as well as Medicare supplement. This point will be clear that next point we will be able to investigate any circumstances that you bring to our attention in writing to ensure that complement. We may be investigate to will allegations to ensure did not authorize payment for medically necessary services and pro complied right. You check. No second page resources for consumers. You notice that the MIA producer consumers guides rate compositions. The basic points number one consumer guide in homeowners insurance. Number two consumer guide auto insurance. Number three annual primers for medical supplement policies. Number five disasters. Disasters in the insurance company will highlight the basic point of insurance that will be permanently suggest you how it can be worked. Right? Next point coming to the inward, you can see that, process that, access that. Number one, download from website the consumer page and call it and write it and visit it. Okay, this is the basic point of agencies to communicate insurance. Hope you understand. Next page. Next is the choosing the right amount. Which amount which you pay the company. Some insurance companies you will suggest you to how to pay. Number one, how much of the family income you provide, how much my children, parents, it is a total income that you will pay. This is the main point of insurance. Next is term insurance. Term insurance actually basically converts you a term of 1 or more years. You notice it protection from your premium dollar, your budget. You listen that yearly years you must life insurance for supervisor. Now come to the point you can renew most term insurance policies for 1 or more terms even if your health has changed. Okay, right now each time you renew the policies for your new term, the premium may be higher. Ask what the premium will be if you continue to renew the policies and whether you will lose the right to renew the policies at certain age. For a higher guaranteed period at the same price, at the end of the time you may need to pass a physical examination, continue coverage and premium may increase. Okay. You may be able to trade term insurance policies for a cash value during a conservation period. Next point is permanent insurance. Permanent insurance, which includes types such as universal life, variable universal life, provides long term final protection. These policies include both a death benefit, in some cases, such savings premium elements. Okay, types on buying life insurance. Make sure you feel confident in an insurance agent and company. Verify that are appropriately licensed with the Maryland Insurance Administration. You point notice that. Decide how much you need for how long you can afford to pay. Number third, learn what kinds of policies provides you consumer. Do not design an application until you carefully review it to be sure that. What are the main questions frequently consequently asked by the consumer? This is the questions which show that, which conclude that, which suggest that how can it improve you physically? No, you observe that. No, you check that. How it will be work. You must test that. You must ensure that. You must suggest that it will be work. Purchase insurance policies. This is the basic main points which you highlighted. Must be beneficiary. What about companies that advertise no physical exam? It can provide you a both economic factor which can be imagine that and analyze that you have a very benefit insurance policy. Insurance basically understanding the life saving step. It is actually basic. It is actually basically it is a no physical exam. They advertise companies and check that no probably It is will be there for your questions and your applications. Now coming to the next page, consumer guide to life insurance ads can claim non benefit. You can search that higher premiums are limiting the amount of insurance you can buy. This is the basic point of view put to the such amazing opportunity. You will be understand, you will notice that this is the basic premium. How can you imagine that? How can you provide that? Okay, insurance you can buy, limiting premiums can be endured. Insurance have a few you could right now. The policies insurance questions. Now coming to the next term life insurance question. Insurance agents sometimes refer to term insurance as temporary because the term policy lasts for a specific period. It is probably no more temporary than you are auto or homeowner insurance, just like term. Those type of policies provide coverage for a specific period of time and must renew them. We are supposing that you are agent reluctant to sell to insurance agents reluctant sell. Some agents believe term coverage is risky because buying a policy in the future could be difficult if your health deteriorates or you cannot afford the higher premium commissions could be reason for agent to discover term policy. The agent will be insurance. You can be understand it and insurance coverage check it. It can be included that how can you provide. You may notice that and check that it works. A A typical some insurance agent reluctant to sell term insurance. What do I get? This is the main point of insurance. You may notice that which are the factors which reluctant to sell term insurance. This is the temporary insurance life called how do I get when I buy insurance. This is the main point. This is the main reason for your life to be saved and protected. Next anniversary agent it is the benefit and check it south term question. This is the main point of your life two period and insurance. Now you can check it how it will be work. This is the basic sequences. You can be notice that premium qualities life insurance questions. How much cash value in my policies? You can notice that considerations before more and more consumers are discussing the possibility of selling their life insurance policies. Before you decide to sell your policy, you should consider several estate planner to tax advisors so you can find out the tax and investment. Advisor accountant you can sign easily. Financial advisor you can check it. and new point coming to world. This is the list designed arrangements to sell insurance policies, vertical settlements or life settlements. Vertical settlements or life settlements. In these agreements, the owner of policy sells to sells a life settlement company, most frequently sometimes referred to as a virtual vertical supplement. The main points: the arrangements were developed initially for people with life threatening. This is the main point of your life. The premium payments, life insurance policy is no longer needed or wanted. The premium payments have become unaffordable. The second point is the policy holder is considering surrender of the policy. The policy is about to lapse. Lapse mean to change in estate planning needs. You observe that, you notice that, you conclude that how it works. It basically evaluates the terms and conditions which can be adjusted. How can you imagine that? How it works? This is the basic conversion. This is the basic learning point of your life, which adjust that, which evaluate you, how it works. This is the basic continual record of your life. Okay, this is the basic point of life threatening. Surrender your life, and you notice that you check the method healthcare for long term. Healthcare for long term, and it is well necessary to your life, and check your point of view, how it works, how it can be detect you, how it can work, how it can work you. The premium payment have become unaffordable, and you can notice that transactions purchased by life settlement company as a whole. This is the this is the basic point of your life, which will be unfoldable and lapse it. You can check, should I do anything to protect my money? This basic point, please understand in your mind and highlighted them and check them, ensure that this is the basic venue of point that you can be imagine that and check that. This is the public privacy and policies which ensure that and check you that will be and provided that will my privacy be maintained. During the application during the application process, You will be required to sign an unauthorization releasing your medical and other personal information to potential buyers, live settlement companies. You also may be asked periodically to update your health status information. Once this information is obtained, it may be shared with other parties, including lenders or third party investors. Be sure to carefully with other parties, including lenders to third party investors. It will be considered to maintain and protect the confidently of your personal information of your settlement life. Hope this point you will be understand and ensure that it will be your helpful. You know notice that how it can company insurance. This is the main point of your company and laws which can you follow to the and administrator in the company. Hope this video will be helpful and you can enroll in admit it access in the company that you have the ability right now is the insurance policies terms and conditions strictly follow on your rules and laws. Hope you will understand this video and clearly achieve the basic points of your life, how it works and console it. Okay, right now I will shifting of the PDF and will add it to the description file. You may need it and read out. Thank you. Hope this video will be amazing and you understand it. Okay. Hope you are all fine. Next video will be coming. So see you later. Thank you.